Defense Research and Development Organization, or DRDO, has been the epicenter of development of defense technologies in India. It has a rich and inspiring history that started with the merging of Defense Science Organization with some technical development establishments in 1980. Since its inception, DRDO has seen countless achievements, ushering in an era of tech-enabled military. As an organization known to be on top of every new technology, it has successfully launched itself into the field of artificial intelligence and robotics. What emerges as a result is a line of robots that are the highlights of the armory of this great nation. Center for Artificial Intelligence and Robotics, CAIR, the laboratory responsible for this development, combines the knowledge of researchers from different disciplines to make sure that our soldiers are equipped with state-of-the-art machines to assist them in their operations. The central idea is to have multiple robots working in unison to collect accurate and precise information on the battlefield. The first step towards this is to develop technologies for undetected locomotion through rough terrain. With this in mind, the organization has created robots such as the miniature unmanned ground vehicle, snake robots, and leg robots such as the hexapod and quadruped. These robots use different technologies to achieve locomotion and can each serve different scenarios. The research has resulted in better technologies for tracking and surveillance. It is interesting to note that many of today's technologies are a result of military research and development, including the internet. It is important to have the technology to back the military in its operations.